This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the tailgate. Detach the retaining screws securing the rear tail light housing. Then pull the tail light assembly outward to access the tail light bulbs. Remove the relevant bulb holder by turning it a quarter turn counterclockwise. The bulb can now be removed by pulling it out of the bulb holder. Install the new bulb, then install the bulb holder securely. Close the tailgate, then check the operation of the lights.